yo, yellow, dancehall bum, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bam. Oh damn, dancehall bam. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bam. You know the number one, in our stand. Surfer, ever the man, dancehall bam.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bam. Hear me a stand a dancehall bam, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, people, in today's episode, we have the shitty crap vendor people. I can't do anything but laugh in disgust, people. But however, we have the streets talking about what took place. I want you to listen to what this gentleman is saying, people. He makes a lot of sense. I'm going to play a clip for you and you could hear what has been taking place in Crab Circle.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bum, bang.
The whole situation with the vendors over there at Hero Circle is yet another indication of how evil our reactive leadership structure of Jamaica can be. This vending area has been established for decades. It was recently refurbished. The Chief Health Inspector's office is in walking distance away from the said location. So now, this location has not been equipped with any type of sanitary facilities, not even hand wash sinks, number one. No restroom, no hand wash sink, no running water. How do you rent or how do you place vendors into a facility that is not fit for food preparation? Number one. And that's the government and the municipalities doing, not the vendors doing. They have no running water, they have no sanitary convenience, they have no hand wash sinks, but they were placed there. Okay, not only that, how did they get authorization to begin selling there without these amenities in place? How did the health authorities issue work food handlers permit and enable these vendors to start plying their trades, knowing that these places are not equipped with the necessary facilities that are required for food preparation? Are you gonna tell me that the health authorities who came out and said that these people are nasty and disgusting, they did not know that this place did not have running water, they did not know this place did not have toilets, they did not know that these vendors don't have hand wash sinks? They knew all of this. The only reason why it is a problem now is because it went public. And now the poor vendors are the devils. They are being demonized by the people who should have made things right in the first place. Where were the leaders when these facilities were being established? To know that there was no hand wash sink, there was no toilet, there were no running water. Now their alibi is, it was agreed upon that each vendor should equip their personal stall, a little 8x8 space, with their own running water. Jesus Christ, tell me, Jamaican people, you rent a house to a person with no toilet, them go poop outside, them go poo at the fence. A human nature is survival mode. Now these people are being demonized because you put them in a compromising position. They were placed in a compromising position. No, they're the bad people. They're not. I'm not saying that their actions are right, but what choice do you leave them? You put a man in a house with no toilet, what do you expect him to do? Tell me what you expect him to do. And then you think these leaders are good people? They are the most reactive set of people you can ever think of. Jamaican leaders at every level. From the community up to the national level. Leaders in Jamaica does not understand what it...
Now people, this has been going on for years. As that gentleman said, there's no bathroom facilities there. The government came and gave these vendors a food handler's permit and passed this venue to deliver food to the public. Now people, can you imagine all the years you have been going to this venue and been getting crab even from this particular vendor? How you must feel today? Jano, that video circulated only because they are probably in some form of mix-up why she decided to video the lady, but I could assume all of the vendors there, that's what them have to do when it come down upon them. Now people, I have a series of clips. I have consumers from that same crab lady speaking out. I'm just going to play another clip so you guys could have a further understanding of the situation that took place in Crab Circle. I could suggest that a lot of people hear this by now, but I was waiting to get a full understanding of the situation because I couldn't believe that these things are happening. It's just so disgusting, people. But listen what this female has to say towards the situation.
DanceHall Bam, enough of them represent fear, you know them dead.
And in what is right anymore. We only really defend the people that we love, no matter what they did. But crab lady, you I buy all my crabs from and stuff. And to see you drop your drawers and shit right there and then clean your ass and talk about diarrhea, you have no diarrhea. It's something that you do regular. How you have toilet paper. If you have diarrhea, you stay at your yard. You prepare your toilet paper is right there. It's something that you do all the time. You're very nasty. You disgust me. Number one, you're the vendor there that everybody buy from. You're always crowded. You know how many crabs I buy from you, lady? And because crab associate with shit, you're going to put your shit in it to give to us? Huh? Your shit right there, clean your ass. It's something that you do regular. And we need to stop defend people like you. You're very nasty. You don't take responsibility for what you did. You want to talk about the woman bad mind you and all of that. Bad mind you when you're shitting right there, lady, and cleaning.
Now people, that's an angry consumer. I received that video from a Patreon. You can become a Patreon member today by going to patreon.com/dancehallbomb and become a member. And also you could click the love button in the description post, people. Punch up the love button and become a member as well of this YouTube fraternity, people. It's only $1. Now we have the crab lady speaking out, people, giving her explanation why she had to do this, people. Let's hear what she have to say. And we have a lot of clips regarding this situation, people. So just tune in and listen carefully and get a full understanding of the situation and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this lady. If you think she should have to do it or she never have to do it, just tell me what you think right now about this situation.
Alisa, if I represent for DanceHall Bam. Hear me as a DanceHall Bam, it's sticky pan them.
Me have some, I buy a hot beer and drink with some salt. And by me to reach to the bathroom, me start feeling.
You've never been in a situation where it come down on you and you have to just do it inside.
My brother, first.
Oh?
First it happen first.
Yeah, a regular practice. I'll tell it. Look. This are the video when she. This is a white clothes, right? This is a different one at the same spot. At the same spot. You see it? This is our. What color this? This is a different color. This is a different color. A green top and a tie. This is a different.
John, people, me have to take bad thing and make joke. Hear what the lady say a while ago? She explained herself and said she drink a hot red stripe beer and she didn't have to go. So she just drop her shit right there in her bucket, round her food stall, and somebody video her. I'm not telling the line now, a regular thing for them though. All the woman video her, a hypocrite she play me. I tell her, she do the same thing too, you understand? Now people may have another video, you know, of the vendors them, some other vendors on the strip. I explain what go on, you understand? I'm gonna watch this too. Pre this.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang!
I watch ya. She do it, and the woman still up there say, come on, she don't sell a can or not, she has sell.
Yeah, because everybody know her.
Because everybody against her. No, not the woman went up.
Oh, the slip, oh.
The one that take the video. Yeah. There's some wickedness that in her.
Fuck her. Well, from it's not intentional or whatever, from a sick, the person sick.
Yeah, I had to do
yeah, you don't have to do that. From a sick, the person sick, you don't have to do that.
Exactly. Me I drive go home my dear. And diarrhea take me. I think I want to take towel. Shut up myself, I can't refuse the towel and wrap myself. Yeah. I'm going to mess up.
Come on, huh?
It happened to me too. A lot of them have been able to
Yeah, no natural something, but you know.
How people, I just feel like these vendors just upset so them get catching at the act. You understand? Because years them a hold it down and a bounce it without no bathroom, no place to wash them hand. You know, they just do them bucket vibes and all of that. So right now, them a burn out the woman with video. The other woman, you know, and make business slow down there. I hear say it lock down a matter of fact. But the government is to be blamed, people. They can't too blame the vendors, them a hustle. But really and truly, when they enjoy the people, them shit up crap, you understand? So I just say come down, people. You know, let's move on to the next topic. We have a video here of future Fambo circulating on the internet. You know, he's saying he's alive and well. I want you guys to check it out and we'll comment afterwards.
Gladys, you guys say yes, it's Queen representing for DanceHall Bam Bam Bam. DanceHall Bam Bam, we are bam them all crazy, never lazy. Up like heaven, my Gladys, you God, the Queen is here.
Yo, man. Yeah, man, I'm good. Good like gold. Good. Good like gold. Good. Yeah, see? Don't know the thing go. What thing? Alright. Family them are good, man. You don't know what thing go. But not for you. See? I'm good. Promise I'm good. That me I tell you. All of my family and my friend them. 100 million. Yeah. Blade, give me 100 million there. Blade it for me. 100 million. I'm going to go live with the people if I say me alright. Or I'm sick or something to me. Blade on something there. Yeah, I'm virgin name Blade. But there. Good people. Good, nothing wrong with me. Alright. You have sugar. I better eat. Right and do some of them. You lose weight. Faster than So but if I live with a Blade. You don't know what names of Blade. I tell you, man.
Now people, you can look for future Fambo there and him look like him have the big A, but however I must say, a sugar, you understand, so you know, so him dip on him insulin and thing. But you know, so diabetes is a serious thing though, people. Insulin, you'll never come off of insulin once you start take it. So Fambo, my advice is, you know, you just start deal with some natural healing, you know, you just start run a morning time, deal with some natural herb, load the sweet drinks them, go and drink some water. Exercise is key, you know, because Fambo is a great artist. He always just enjoy himself, always just floss, do him thing. You know, you remind me of Flipper Mafia same way. Fambo is a man who will collaborate with Gucci man, you know, big rapper Gucci man. Yeah man, see my endorse him next single. So people, let's just keep future Fambo in our prayers and give him a word of encouragement. Go over him Instagram page and show him some love. Now people, there's a popular social media personality going viral as he makes his words be known to the public how he feels about the current state of the government of Jamaica. He shares his thoughts and asks a few pondering questions, people. Listen up what this guy has to say.
DanceHall Bam, we know we are general. We don't need nobody to tell us we are general. A flipper magla the flossing king represent DanceHall Bam. Tune in, log on. You hear me say? Murder.
Out the road speaking. You know, this big nose brother one named Andrew Holness going to cause a war in Jamaica, and he knows he don't cause war because he buy some armored vehicle and something. You know, the Andrew Holness come in a power and change the Mandela Highway to Siaga. Edward Siaga Highway. Edward Siaga was never born in Jamaica. Me talk about the Syrian brother saying the American CIA brother will come here from Bonong Ganja and give you crack cocaine and married flour and sugar. The brother me talk. Change the highway to film name. You know the Andrew Holness change the police them vehicle color to green. You know the Andrew Holness change the date of retirement for Paula Llewellyn when he make come out contact now say they want change the election 5 year to 7 year. Tell me something. Uno can take 4 more years out of Andrew Holness government. Come here, Jamaican, come here. My friend just write off in vehicle down it a while ago on the main road because of bad road and pothole. You know, say, Andrew Holness not fix no road from when No patrol no fix from when. Any road in bill a toll if you collect offer. You know aware of that? So hold on now, look a bit now. You can't take 4 more years with the Holness government. So him promise the Batman them to legalize them. You know, hearing up an interview go saying 1 more time. If them have to pick them now, you say something wrong in a Jamaica. Can legalize Wobia and make allow batty flag to put up in a Jamaica. You see what they take place in a Jamaica. You see the evil turn up around here. You can't take 4 more years with the Holness government. If you ever try that blood clot, we burn it down. A 5-year common election a call, we burn it down. So ready for shoot, because we ready for no to.
Members of the fraternity, this man is definitely not afraid for his voice to be heard by the Prime Minister. I hope they don't send for him and beat him, people, because he will make a lot of sense. He make a lot of important points. If you don't agree with him, leave a comment in the comment section. If you agree with him, leave it there also. Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.